It's not bright anymore. Just come on. She figured it out. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you. We really did. Yeah. Can you read it? Can you read it? I'm trying.
Oh, the cake?
Yeah. The candles.
So bright.
Can you read it?
You gotta be over it.
The candles?
Oh,
it's my name! Can I blow it out now? Wait, I want to make a wish. Make a wish.
Close your eyes and count to 5.
Oh my god. Fire.